Hey y'all, it's Costume Jeweler. I'm excited for a couple of reasons today. Number one, this thrift center that we've been into several times is newly renovated. It's been closed down about 3 weeks. It's supposed to be newly renovated, so this is the first time in here. We're gonna go check it out, look for purses, jewelry, knickknacks, whatnots, doodads, and trinkets to resell on YouTube and eBay. So hit that notification bell and click all so you don't miss it on my live buy nows and auctions on my channel. Those are every Saturday and Sunday at 8:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Also, this weekend on Saturday, I am going to do something different. During the course of selling jewelry and purses and whatever else, every so often randomly, I'm going to add a piece of jewelry to a purse, and at the end of the sale, we're going to auction off that jewelry and the purse. So that's going to be a lot of fun. I thought of that today, so you heard it here first. So let's go into this thrift center and see how it looks and also see what they've got. I don't know if they're also going to have a lot of new stuff that we haven't seen before, but I love this place. I love it. So we've been in here several times, but we're going to see what it looks like now. And they've always got a great window display. Well, we're going to check out everything inside. I think this is going to be a blast. Hopefully it's a big surprise for both of us. So they painted the entire building. Looks kind of the same, but it looks a lot nicer. They redid the floors and painted. Hoping they've got some new jewelry in here too. The store looks great. So they've repainted it, redid the floors, moved the clothing. It looks a lot bigger than it did before. Lots of furniture. We're gonna look around over here at some of the furniture. Oh wow, look at this piece right here. If I had room for this, I would buy it. I already have a table in my home office to put my computer on. It's old, but this right here would be beautiful. $65. Bold and simple. Simple and bold. Look at that. Very nice piece. Not an antique store price, so if I were y'all, I'd come up here and grab that. This table right here is $75. Do these open? They don't. Get the claw feet on them. Two great pieces there. Love trying to find the jewelry pieces that look antique but not at an antique price. Like this piece right here is $150. You have all these drawers. That would make a great setup for a home office desk and bookshelf. That's $150. Here's another cute table. $30. I would probably paint that one, but I love the shape of the drawer. $120 for that dresser and matching nightstands, $30 each. I think old furniture is great. Just repurpose. Look at this coffee table. I was about to say, you might could display things under the glass there. This is $85. Lots of chairs and furniture, lots of pictures. Look through these frames and things and see if there's anything old, antique, something resellable. That looks like an old picture. Dresden, Germany. Left in China, $3. If you love to decorate with plates, hanging them on your walls, this is probably the place to go. They've got several. $2. That's so good. They have 3 here. If they had a set of 4, I'd probably get them. See what the others look like. Just wish they had a set of 4. Holly Hobby. It says Tom bought this. How nice is this right here? Made in Ireland, and look at it. Frosted type glassware. I don't know anything about this, but they have 4 of them. $5.50. No designer mark, but beautiful artwork. I don't know anything about that either. Look through this jewelry, see if there's anything new in here we haven't seen before. Sure, I think we've seen that before. What is this one? Thought at first these might be sterling silver. There is not a mark on the back. Those are pretty. This is marked Leah Sophia at the top. It's an abalone shell necklace. I love buying the abalone shell. We're going to pass on this one though. It's pretty. And I like the Leah Sophia brand. This is a pretty chain. What does that say on the back? Trying to see what that says. I'm going to show you this necklace, but I'm trying to check to see if it might be sterling or not. I'm not sure that it is, but look how cute this necklace is. We may have to take this one home. May have to take it home because I'm loving the chain. I'm also loving the pendant. Look at this pendant. So silver tone, but look at that. I like it. Here's a Lucky brand clear quartz necklace. And then this one behind it, look at this. It says Monet on it. I'll show you. I'm going to show you this up close. And look right here. So the Monet right there has either a CZ chip or a diamond chip. Let's zoom in on that. So you see that chip right there. It's either CZ or diamond. I don't know if Monet ever had. See if we can get it to shine. If Monet ever had real diamonds in their jewelry or not. Kind of liking this necklace a lot. I am kind of eyeballing this one right here. Michael Kors black snakeskin style purse.
Yeah, they're at the end. No, walk straight down and you'll see a round rack on the left with the like a mannequin.
I was hoping this would have been actual hair, but it's not. So I don't see anything else in here I might be interested in. Probably going to pick up this Michael Kors purse. Not sure, but until this weekend sale, I will see you on the next video. Bye.